Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide likes you have made on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram setting. But before it, we can go to our profile, tap on this profile button, and tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen. And since we want to open the Instagram setting, we can tap on the settings and privacy. And after the setting has been opened, we can scroll down until we find the likes you've made. Tap on this option, and here you can hide the likes you have made on Instagram. You can click on don't allow anyone to see likes, and after that your likes or the likes you have made on Instagram will be hidden from anyone. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide likes we have made on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.